Another big story right now at 6. Child care centers here in our state say the pandemic has been especially hard on them.
And now many could actually be forced to close without help from Congress as lawmakers put together a budget. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is live from the mobile newsroom in Rocky Hill with the latest on this. Mike.
Well, Mark and Aaron, many of these child care centers did see help in the form of COVID stimulus funds to get them through the pandemic to this point, but they've also been facing difficulty for years, and owners and directors say that more help is needed.
The industry was broken before the pandemic.
As Congress negotiates a possible budget, child care centers are asking for help. They say a combination of problems has brought the industry to a crossroads.
This center has a waiting list and an empty classroom because they don't have staff to staff it.
Childcare has become increasingly expensive, so much so that many families can't afford it. But center directors say they also have a hard time being able to pay their staff. Turnover is a huge problem for these childcare providers.
Honestly, they can go to Target right now and make more than I can afford to pay them. And I find that very sad.
Child care centers did get some help in the form of COVID stimulus funds, but many owners say they continue to face long-term financial problems. A National Association for the Education of Young Children survey of nearly 300 centers in Connecticut found 28% are considering leaving or closing their programs. Another 15% say maybe they would close.
This system of child care presently in this country is unsustainable.
U.S. Senator Richard Blumenthal said a congressional budget should include $400 billion for child care, helping to support these centers and help improve families' access to care. The centers say support is especially needed now as many parents are going back into the office.
As employers want people back to work, families need child care.
Now, as talks are going on with that budget, Blumenthal says that a vote on it at the congressional level may not come until next month at the earliest. Live from the mobile newsroom, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.